What's up, everybody? We got this 16-inch Craftsman box, and we're gonna see what fits in here and what's inside of it. Let's start. Got these metal latches. It's a plastic. It's medium size duty. Alright. First thing we see is this sink and faucet installer. So you can remove and install your faucets. And we got the wrench that comes with it. And this I don't even know what this is exactly. I think one of the co-workers gave me this. We have this Irwin pliers. I like Irwin pliers, pretty good. And we have this cobalt screwdriver. It's pretty big, and I use this for chipping and demoing. Basically a big chisel. And then we got this Husky tool. It's like an adjustable wrench. This tool is whack. It's whack. I didn't even know why I bought it. So basically, it's like an adjustable wrench. You adjust it to the size of the nut you want. Twist it. But I don't recommend people buying this. It's whack. And it's cheap. Don't buy. Next thing we got is this Craftsman 8-inch adjustable wrench. We have this Craftsman open wrench. We have the Stanley Fat Max snips. Use these to cut my nails. Psych. And we got the this Proto USA professional wrench, 3/4 and 11/16. We have another 8-inch Craftsman adjustable wrench. Another Craftsman wrench. This one was cut off and is 1 inch. We have a Craftsman Phillips number 2 long screwdriver for hard to reach places. We have this Harbor Freights metal file. Works pretty good, and I like the handle. We got this Armstrong wrench. We have this 10-inch steel husky pipe wrench, also garbage. And I just beat it up because it's a very cheap pipe wrench. Next, we got this 14-inch aluminum Milwaukee pipe wrench. I like it. Nice and light and very strong. And we have this 10-inch Craftsman adjustable wrench. We got this 12-inch steel Milwaukee pipe wrench. This one's pretty heavy. This one's red because it's made out of steel. Sorry about that. So, like I was saying, this one is red because it's made out of steel and it's heavy. And this one is a silver color because it's made of aluminum and it's very light. And then we got this Milwaukee 10-inch aluminum pipe wrench. This one is my favorite pipe wrench. As you can see, it's beat up because I also use it as a hammer. And I've also used a hammer on it, and it still works. Milwaukee 10-inch pipe wrench. Pretty good. I recommend those pipe wrench. Sorry about that. And we got a smaller version of that whack tool I told you guys not to buy. But this is a for smaller nuts. I think it was a combo. This one. I think these two came as a set. One for bigger nuts, one for small one. Garbage, don't buy. And we got this another Craftsman wrench. 6-inch Craftsman adjustable wrench. And here we got this old school 90s Craftsman USA. Same thing as this Husky tool, but it's a better built tool. It's also for nuts, removing nuts or holding them. It's actually a little bit better than this one, but still, you don't really need these. And then last, we got these two tools I'm going to separate. Let me just put this stuff back. All right. Alright, this is the, hold on, give me a second. Okay, let's get started. Alright, this one is the Pasco 4525 angle on wrench, and it's used to install and remove angle stop valves or shut off valves. And this one is the ferro blaster. This one's to remove compression rings or sleeves. Like I was saying, so give me a second. Alright, so you put this on the valve, and you can use it to install it or remove it much easier. And this, you have your compression ring there, just put this in, squeeze it, and it removes it. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.